Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is subject verb agreement and parallelism. Sentence says the major areas of medicine in which lasers are effective is in the cutting and closing of blood vessels and in the destruction of tumors. Is. What is subject of is? Is it medicine, areas or lasers? So people, whenever there are two verbs, in that case first verb will follow the closest noun. Alright, first verb will follow closest noun and the second verb will follow the rule number 1, and that is called before first preposition. Alright, so verb are is followed by lasers, so lasers are effective, and for is subject will be areas. Alright, so major areas is in the cutting and closing of blood vessels. Incorrect, it should be are. Areas are, so option A out, option E out. Left with C, D, E. So left with B, C and D. B are the cutting, closing of blood vessels and also the case of destroying. Alright, so the cutting and closing, one entity, and also exaggeration. Remember people, whenever and also is used together in sentence correction, it becomes secondary preference. So this is weak option, along with the case of destroying. Instead of the case of destroying, the sentence can be simplified using only destroying. So option B has two errors. One is usage of also, second usage of case. So option B out. Option C are the cutting, closing of blood vessels and in destroying. Now incorrect parallelism. So are the cutting, closing and destroying is possible, because here in should not be added. Why not? Because in should be given here, also here. What if the option is are in the cutting, closing and destroying? Possible. There is second possibility, are in the cutting, in the closing and in the destroying. Possible. So this has parallelism error. Option D becomes best option, are the cutting, closing and the destruction. Alright, so here this is the cutting, closing one entity and the destruction second entity. So D remains best option.